Hey guys, this is Audi here in Frog City, and this is
me.
No. Toby Gamer and Yo Mama.
Actually, it's DSS.
And
DSS.
Never say out loud what it means if you figure out somehow.
And he's playing some kind of weird game. We're gonna be throwing.
PewDiePie Tuber Simulator.
Woo! We're gonna be playing. Well, I mean, we're gonna be throwing fireworks in a fire. It's gonna be pretty cool. When are we doing this?
Like
15 minutes, 10 minutes.
15 to 200 minutes.
So stand by.
And kill yourself. Ow! Ow!
Stop touching me. You're touching me too much.
Touch. That's gross.
Dude, you guys are gross.
He's the gross one.
So, here in Frog City, it's a very, very wonderful evening, and
There are a bunch of dead frogs in the road.
that's basically why it's called Frog City. So basically, check in on us, and yeah.
If you ever move here, never run over a frog.
Make sure to check out this guy's channel,
DSS.
DSS,
And when I get one, check
and
it out.
whenever Toby Gamer gets one, check it out. And make sure to subscribe to all three of us.
Yes, and leave a like.
Yeah.
Maybe even move here. if
So
your mom
let's
says
get
yes.
this party started!
We're going to be lighting a fire in this little furnace thing, and then we're going to take these and we're going to put them in the fire along with paper and maybe little sticks and stuff.
Subscribe and leave a like. Make sure to do that. Yes, because that's how you do it.
To subscribe to me, leave this a like, and subscribe to this girl.
Hey, I'm Audi. Jeez.
Yeah, subscribe to Audi
/ Aria.
on YouTube.
Yeah.
She has a pretty good channel,
Oh, thanks.
A lot of.
and I'm in it, so that's why
I'm in it
giving
too.
a shout out to her.
I'm in more videos.
Anyways, we'll be right back.
Yeah, so we're basically just starting a fire like he said.
All right, there we go. Getting that fire up.
Ooh. Ooh.
We forgot our paper and new stuff.
So good. If you don't know who this guy is, this is DSS, and make sure to subscribe to him and
Eli
like to
Gamer
him.
667.
This is Toby Gamer.
Yes, watch his videos and watch her videos and watch a bunch of other videos. Subscribe to a bunch of videos.
Okay, just
Yeah.
you're doing good. So, we're gonna like put dynamite in here or something.
This is not dynamite, it's fireworks.
We're gonna have a crackling fire.
Here's some papers we're gonna put in.
You like papers?
I like paper.
Oh, your videos are paused. Okay. There we go.
All we
So you guys have to be careful.
All right, so the
There
fire
is a dad who
going.
is starting the fire, by the way, YouTubers.
Yeah.
His name is Keith
And
Sanchez.
he's going to make sure that the younger people in the audience
Don't die.
are careful.
Okay.
You want to
Like-
be a little careful.
Like for example, Toby Gamer, you're gonna be okay.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Like that.
Oh, I got your butt caught on fire.
It's windy.
Okay.
Oh, that would have been good.
No, it wouldn't have. Don't say that.
Okay, I think we're going to be okay.
You're mean. Oh man. You're dark.
Hey, wait. Are those... Hey, guys, you need to warn me if you're going to do that. Don't just put... Who put the fireworks in there?
Me?
Tobias.
What?
Those are going to start spraying out.
I know.
Yeah.
So you need to warn me if you're going to do that.
Yeah.
Oh, here they go.
All right, so we put the fireworks in already.
Here we go.
And
Waffle.
Get out of the camera.
it's pretty cool.
Oh, it's terrifying.
It's pretty good. Look at that.
Ugh, a lot of smoke.
Why did you do that to us, Toby Gamer?
All right, that was pretty good.
Okay, just a second. Okay. There we go. I think it should be lit.
No, put in your dynamite.
Yeah, I will.
Me want to put in some dynamite.
What do you mean dynamite? Stuff that blows up? What are you guys talking
Yeah,
about?
this.
Huh?
How about this? How
Oh,
about
I'm gonna put in some tinfoil.
That's just.
tinfoil
So when you
won't
put
burn.
those in, leave them in there, and then move back. Okay?
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna be putting in some dynamite, aka 3 small little fireworks that we taped together, and we're calling it dynamite. Alright, so I'm gonna try to just put it in the fire.
So we just put a paper airplane in there. As you can see, that pile of paper in the very, very, very back is our paper airplane.
It's burnt.
Yeah, it's quite burnt.
It looks so cool when the finger's like.
Yeah, and it's all dark and charcoaly.
It's dark and chocolate.
So yeah.
So yeet. Yeah, that's right. That's right. I said it. Yeet. That's right. I said it. Yeet. Something's wrong with your phone. Well, too bad for you, man. Galaxy flips. Your stinky little galaxy. It's so galaxy.
We're just gonna put some wood in there.
Alright, my phone died, so I can't record right now.
Well, good thing you have me.
It didn't die. It's on.
No, but it died. That's why it turned off.
Good thing you have me to film your videos.
No, it's on, Elijah.
Oh yeah.
I'll get the battery, watch.
It's 0%.
Exactly.
It's dead.
Wait, how is it on when it was 0%?
It's not. You can't do anything. Literally, it won't get off that screen. This is my staff.
Just put it in there. You're gonna catch us all on fire.
My staff. No. What do you think it's a staff?
It's a fire staff.
Of course.
It's cooking sticks like marshmallows.
Cooking sticks like marshmallows.
I'm just gonna hold it there.
Whoa!
Oh my, did you guys just see that? Okay, so we had lots of fun cooking plastic, and make sure to subscribe to him and me, and bye.
And once I have a channel.
Whoa. Hey.